gave you opportunity.
Cool.
You didn't take advantage. You didn't take advantage. I told you how it be. I get streaky. You better know who your dad is. Told you. I'm trying to teach you something. When somebody give you opportunity, you better go for it. Trying to teach you, man. Come on. Told you, man. You know how I get. Now you got that look. Now you got that look. Now you look. So you better. So now you no. You better hurry up. You better hurry up, cause that look gonna look real crazy in a minute. That look gonna look real crazy. You better hurry up. Yeah, you better hurry up. You better get streaky. Oh, that looks. Oh, yeah. Here it comes. 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 You know how it be, man. You know how it be. Oh. Good game. Love you. You know how I get though. You gotta start. You know how I get. You gotta start taking the advantage of when I give it to you, man. Cause once I get hot. Wanna play again? Yeah? Alright, let's go. I'm trying to give you opportunities. I'm trying to give you opportunities. No, I'm trying to give you alright, fine. You want me to do my thing? Oh, look. Opportunity. Opportunity. Alright. Here it comes. I feel it.
Don't worry about it.
You let me do it one hand? I'll give it to you. You want to shake on it? From free throw or here?
I mean,
Come on.
like,